Adding an ebook to your bookshelf is very similar to adding an audiobook. First, you click Add Title, which will bring you to the library's catalog. You can use the search function if you'd like, but I'm going to show you how to browse. First, you click the hamburger menu, which will give you different options for where you can navigate. I'm going to choose Subjects, but you can also click on Collections. We can choose that we're interested in fiction books. As you can see, these are all waitlisted, which means that they're not available to take out right now. So instead, I'm going to sort by available now so that I can find something to read today. These show you some example available fiction books. I'm going to click on one, give it a look, and it sounds like something that I'm interested in reading. So I'm going to go ahead and borrow this ebook. Again, you get the option to choose how long you'd like to borrow for, and then you can click Borrow. If you choose Download, it will start to add it right to the OverDrive app, and in a moment, it'll be available to read right from your bookshelf. Now that the title is added, you can go to your bookshelf, click on the book, and begin reading it. You change pages just by swiping your finger to the right or the left. And that's it. You've downloaded your first ebook.